Hi guys, so I have ordered a bag from Flipkart Freedom Sale from the brand called Metro. So let's unbox it together. So this is how the packaging looks like, and then there is the bag. It's a pretty dark blue colored bag with this texture detailing and also this logo, which looks very chic actually. So yeah, this is how the bag looks like. It's very light in weight. It has this single zipper pocket. That is quite spacious from inside, as you can see. This also has a inner zipper pocket. Yeah, and then it comes with the sling, which you can adjust the way you like it. And the MRP of the bag is around 990 rupees, and I got it for around 450 rupees. So it was a pretty good deal I got. You can also try if you like. Thank you.